This effective 1-minute scalping strategy also works well on 5-minute and 15-minute charts. We'll demonstrate it with the GBP-USD pair for forex trading on a 1-minute chart, but it can be applied to gold, crypto, stocks, and more. Stay tuned until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Click on the Indicators button at the top of the TradingView interface and type Best Cloud All MA in the search bar. From the list of indicators, select Best Cloud All MA, created by Devote. Click on the Settings icon, gear symbol, next to the indicator's name in the chart window. Then, in the Input tab, change the length of moving average 1 to 20 and the length of moving average 2 to 45. In the Style tab, adjust the thickness of MA1 and MA2 to your preference, uncheck the Trend State Bar Coloring, and uncheck the shapes. Click OK to confirm the changes. This Best Cloud All MA indicator will be used as a trend guide in the market. When the MA cloud is green, it indicates a bullish trend, and your main focus will be to find the best points to place buy orders. When the MA cloud is red, it indicates a bearish trend, and your main focus will be to find the best points to place sell orders. Now, let's add the second indicator, which will be used to guide you in placing orders in the market. Click on the Indicators button again and type RSI, or Relative Strength Index, in the search bar. Then select the RSI indicator. In the Input tab of the RSI Settings, change the RSI length to 8. In the Style tab, uncheck some unnecessary options and leave only the RSI, RSI upper band, and RSI lower band checked. Change the color of the RSI, RSI upper band, and RSI lower band to your preference. Change the level of the RSI upper band to 60 and the level of the RSI lower band to 40. Click OK to confirm the changes. Before using this RSI indicator, add 2 horizontal lines to the RSI indicator by going to the Line tab, setting the coordinate of the first line to 75 and the second line to 25. Then change the color of these lines to your preference. If in a bullish trend, wait for the RSI line to reach the level between 26 and 39. Then wait for the signal line to cross above the 40 level. If this condition is met, it is a valid buy signal. However, ensure that during this process, the RSI signal line does not cross below the 25 level. For sell signals, if in a bearish trend, wait for the RSI line to reach the level between 61 and 74, then wait for the signal line to cross below the 60 level. If this condition is met, it is a valid sell signal. However, ensure that during this process, the RSI signal line does not cross above the 75 level. How to place a buy order. When the Best Cloud All MA indicator shows a green cloud, indicating a bullish trend, look for the RSI signal line to return between 39 and 26. Wait for the RSI signal line to cross above 40, ensuring it doesn't drop below 25 during this process. Confirm the trend remains bullish and the candlestick pattern is bullish. If all conditions align after the bullish candlestick closes, place a buy order. Set a stop loss just below the last swing low and aim for a take profit using a risk-reward ratio of 1:1.5. How to place a sell order. When the Best Cloud All MA indicator shows a red cloud, indicating a bearish trend, focus on finding the optimal sell entry point. Wait for the RSI signal line to return between 61 and 74. Then, wait for the RSI signal line to cross below 60, ensuring it doesn't rise above 75. Confirm the trend remains bearish, and the candlestick pattern is bearish. If all conditions align after the bearish candlestick closes, place a sell order. Set a stop loss just above the last swing high, and aim for a take profit using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.